Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ethereum Classic is doing today. So this is looking promising, which is always good. It's one of those pairs that I've been kind of watching, for it. I mentioned that, hey, we needed to get long at the 23% retracement. I did place a little bit of an order. I cashed out when it formed this evening star. So I made a little bit. We had a pullback. I haven't done much since then, but now I'm starting to watch it again because look at this. So just looking at the fibs from the swing high of February of this year to March 13th low here. So I think we have a 200-day moving average at about $7 or so, and then we have some previous highs that we need to take out. But if we continue to rally hard like all the other alts are doing, then this has a lot of potential to do something. So, by the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're going to reach out to 7 billion people. We're going to help everyone make money in the crypto market. So, that being said, we do have some potential here. If we break higher, now this could go either way, because we could just blast through this, go all the way to the 50% retracement, so $1.26, and then pull back, perhaps hold at about $7.57, and that goes from this high of May 30th of 2020 and May 2nd of 2020. We could hold there, or we can pull back to the 200-day moving average, or we could pierce, blast through this, and reach that $7.50 or so level, and then pull back. So this could go either way, depending on. I want to get long at about $7 or so. So at about what it is right now, well, $7.098. And I want to see a hold above the 200-day moving average in this fib before I do anything. Stops will be fairly tight, but if we go past the $8.26 mark, this is gonna, we have some room to make some shackles. From risk to reward perspective, if we just do the right below the 200-day moving average with a target of freaking what? So a target of $9, so it's almost 11 to 1, so 10.79 to 1. This is excellent risk to reward, but I want to wait after the fact, after we break the 38% retracement. So remember, you have to have the accuracy of a sniper or in the rhythm of the chess player if you want to make it in this market. By the way, guys, if you guys get anything useful out of the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to reach out. You're going to help the channel reach out to 7 billion people. The whole idea of the channel is to help as many people as possible understand the crypto market, so we can stop depending from the corrupt bankers. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money in the crypto market. So that being said, we do have a lot of potential. I don't see this breaking lower. We could. There's always that possibility. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing is perfect. But if we were to break lower, ultimately your line in the sand is $5.65. So the 23% retracement. That will be my line in the sand. If we break any lower than that and hold below the 23% retracement from the swing high of February to March, then we're kind of in trouble, because we could go all the way back to $3.50. We could go all the way back there, and this is really worst case scenario, so I don't think we'll be there here, but you never know. You never know. So worst case scenario, if we pass the $3.30 mark, we could go in we could be in a world of problems, because we could go all the way down to 50 cents. So I don't think that's a probability right now, considering that everything is so bullish for the most part, but that's the kind of stuff you have to keep in mind so you're prepared. That way you don't get caught off guard and you make the right decisions. Because if you don't know what's the worst case scenario, how much money you can lose, and then you're in a world of pain, because just things can turn fairly quickly and then you would just lose all the money. So that's the kind of stuff you have to keep in mind, guys. So like I said, worst case scenario, line in the sand is a 23% retracement, so $5.65. Good case scenario, once we break above $7 and about 0.098, then I will place a small position just kind of to get my feet wet, because risk to reward will definitely will be there. And we're trying to narrow down how often we're posting the videos, so just leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them, guys. Once again, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.